So, good morning. Today we will learn a project using temperature sensor. This is my temperature sensor. And using this temperature sensor, sense the temperature and we will get a display. This is LCD display. We will get the value of the temperature on this LCD display. Here we are using a potentiometer. This potentiometer is used to adjust the contrast. This is used to adjust the contrast of LCD display. If the temperature is not displayed on this LCD, you can adjust this wiper terminal so that the temperature will be displayed here. So to adjust the contrast, we can use a potentiometer. To resist the flow of current, we are using a resistor and Arduino. This is the brain of our program. We will upload the program into this Arduino so that the system will be controlled. And the breadboard is used to connect all the components very nicely. So we can nicely connect all the components using this breadboard. So this is the overall structure of this project. Next, I will show you the schematic representation. This is the schematic representation or the circuit diagram. Here, this is my Arduino. And this is my LCD display. And we have a potentiometer. We have a potentiometer and we have a resistor. And temperature sensor. Temperature sensor. Okay, so this temperature sensor is having three terminals such as VS, V out, and the ground. So this VS, this is connected to the 5 voltage and the ground is connected to the negative. So here, as you can see, this is connected to the 5 voltage. Here, this is the 5 voltage and this ground is connected to the negative. And this V out is connected to the analog pin A0 so that the Arduino will get uh, the sensed value from this temperature sensor. And this Arduino will read that value, and based on the program we uploaded into this Arduino, we will get a temperature display here in the LCD. So this potentiometer is used to connect, this is used to increase or decrease the contrast. Okay, what we will get the values displayed here. Sometimes we will be able to see the value. So by adjusting the potentiometer knob, we can increase or decrease the contrast of this. Yeah. So by adjusting the potentiometer knob, we can either increase or decrease the contrast of this LCD display. And this resistor is used to control the flow of current. Then coming to the simulation list of components. Yeah, go to the component list. these are the items, components I'm using to do this project. So there is a temperature sensor, TMP36, and LCD display 16 by 2 used to display this temperature. 250 kilo ohm potentiometer is there used to increase or decrease the contrast in the LCD display. 250 ohm resistor is there to resist the flow of current. Arduino Uno R3 is the brain of the project. Again, go to this. Just I'm starting the simulation. So I'm starting the simulation. Now the temperature is showing 24.78 degrees Celsius. This is my temperature sensor, TMP. I'm clicking here. Now the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. Yeah, approximately 25 degrees Celsius will be displayed here. So if I change this temperature, so now the temperature is 44 degrees Celsius, and we can see that value will be displayed on the LCD. For example, if the temperature is increasing to 70 degrees Celsius, automatically we will get that corresponding value on this LCD display. By adjusting this wiper, now I am adjusting this wiper. Now I am unable to see the temperature value. So I am adjusting this wiper value so that I can increase or decrease the contrast on the LCD display. So you will get the temperature value displayed on this LCD. Go to code. So this is the code. This is the code behind running this program. So there is a delay of 1 second. So 1 second delay, I will be getting the value of temperature on the serial monitor. So if I connect this to the Arduino Arduino IDE, I can see the temperature value. What is the sensor value and what is the temperature value? So what is the value of the sensor and also temperature value? Both values will be displayed in the serial monitor. So serial print sensor value, serial print temperature degrees Celsius. So both sensor value and temperature value will be displayed in the serial monitor. So this is the program. This is the program behind running this project. Okay, thank you.